Hey guys, welcome back to Smokey. Today we got a new series. I don't know if you've seen, but The Knocker, Part 1. If you haven't seen it already, go watch it. I think it's a good video. Here we go. We're gonna go ahead and start instead of yapping for 14 minutes, or 15, or 16. Corey X Kenshin is finally back. There's a 2-month break. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm probably not gonna upload this video until I'd say maybe let's hit 1,000 views. Enough talking and enough yapping, and let's jump right into it. Um, for a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Press cross button to advance time. Which one's the cross button? I don't see a cross button. Oh, it's X. Weird. Low key. Here we are. All over again. I think it's low-key glitching. I don't think it's glitching for y'all. I'm just gonna restart my PlayStation real quick. Be right back, guys. I didn't fix it. Let me replug in my HDMI. We're not lagging anymore. That seems to have done something. But anyways, I also wanted to say, just for disclaimer, because y'all, I know people are gonna be commenting on my Knocker series says, Calvin copier, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Well, I just wanted to say it was heavily inspired by Calvin, but I'm not copying him. I'm just inspired by Calvin, you know what I mean? I wanted to give him credit for that, but I forgot to. Anyways, yeah, after that, just go check him out. He's a good YouTuber. But, anyways, also, shout out to my guy over here, Vamp. I don't know how to say the rest of his, I don't know how to say the rest of his name, but, it's Vamp. I just call him Vamp. That's all I'll call him. I don't call him, I forget how to say that. I don't know. I don't call him by the full name, though. I call him by, that bird's not there right now, but yeah. Go check out Vamp. He should be on my channel page. I have some friends on there. I don't know if I added Redix yet, but Redix is my brother. Also go check him out. Go check out Ezreal Gaming. He's also a rapper. Small rapper though. Banban. If Vamp agrees to it, maybe. Dear mommy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. Monster. Me. Claire. Why is Claire's head chopped off? Who knows? I don't know. Oh, go right there, buddy. Good boy. Like, get right there like a good boy. Hey. Long time no see. Been a while, hasn't it? Yeah, that's right. Ooh, I'm so scared. I luckily forgot how this game is. Sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mine. Whoa. That is what I think it is of a woman. Never mind. Never mind. I might be thinking the wrong way. Just completely ignore what I said. Oh shoot, never mind, you can't. Crap, what did I have to do? I think I had to collect eggs, right? Yeah, I think. I think that's what you have to do. Also, if y'all can hear a fan in the background just blowing on me, Sorry about that, and hopefully it won't be in the next. I mean, I don't know if it's loud. I hope it just doesn't like really cost anything that much. Bring a friend. Day stickers. Caution. Peel slowly. Banban's kindergarten. Or like Banban's. I don't know. You sure this is kindergarten? Cause this has like I don't even know how many floors, bro. Like 8 floors. No, more than that. Need 2 more. Dude, my worst fear right now is my power flickered and shut off for a few seconds not too long ago. But I just hope that doesn't happen in this clip, in this video while I am recording, because that'll completely discard my video, and then I'll have to re-record, and that's not fun, trust me. Some YouTubers can relate to that, some small YouTubers like me. I'm talking, it was flickering and unflickering, like it was weird. Oh, this is a dude, where is the final egg? Not gonna lie. Wait, I think I already collected the egg, right? No, I did. Bro, where is this egg at, bro? Just trying to find the egg. Bro, I don't know if you've seen this movie, guys, but I watched this movie not too long ago. Yesterday, I think it was called Talk to Me. It's leaving Netflix September 30th, but like, it was a good movie, I ain't gonna lie. I mean, it was kind of goofy. I ain't gonna lie. But like, there was like this, I'll try to explain it. There's just like, hand sculpture that these people have. And like, if you hold its hand, and allegedly the story says that, the, uh, the sculpture actually has a real hand in it. And it was a Satanist's hand. And if you'd hold the hand and say, talk to me, random people who are dead will, you'll see them. And some people you've never recognized, some people you know in your past who've died. Like, for example, dead mom or something like that. You'll see that in, it's not fun. It's kind of scary. I mean, it's not that scary, I didn't think. But if you say, I let you in, it'll possess you. And you could just go check it out. It's not that bad. Hit this real quick. What do you mean you can't go over there? Brother, it's literally open. Okay, good. Distraction AT underscore. Let's feed this son of a cracker. Wait, oh, never mind. I forgot. Bro, I'm so scared of this thing just coming after me. Oh, I'm just so scared of this thing just not being here anymore. Ooh. Here we go. I think this one right here is red, white. There. This one's green. This one's pink. This one's blue. Yeah. This one's orange, from what I remember. Yes, sir. I told you I'm good at this stuff. I went to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone have party without me. Miss Mason see me but go. I am scared because hole is loud and my friends scream in it and bird is funny. I think that's it. Oh, ooh, I forgot about this part, bro. Oh my god. Bro, I don't like this, bro. I hate that. Oh my god, please. Go! Oh my god. Oh. Oh. How did he get me, bro? I pressed emergency stop. Oh. Oh, I don't like this still. Oh, we're going. Go! Oh my god! Oh my god! What? Yeah, buddy. Sure. Sure, buddy. Yo, what's up? What's up, buddy? Ooh, I hope it hit that. Oh my god, I did it this time. Oh my god, I did it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That took so long, bro. It's not even funny. But that actually took so long. Okay, I forgot what to do now. I think I have to go over here now. We killed the bird. I think. I can't remember if we did or not. I played like 1 to 6 or 7. 6, 7. Oh, ignore that. I played 0. Played 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. Okay. Boarding pass. Name: Autumn Adam from Montreal MTL, Madrid MDD, Class E, Seat D2, O2, I don't know what that says, 23/10/2016. Boarding time, 3:23. Gate B13. The heck? What the Sigma? My fault. That was a while ago, bro. We'll revive that. We should revive.
4x4 animal style. Extra shingles with a shimmy and a squeeze. Light axle grease, make it cry. Burn it and let it swim.
What the Sigma?
Don't come at me, Pillowbird. Oh, Pillowbird. I forget her name, but her or him. I don't know. I think it's a her. Because it's pink. And big. I don't know. Anyways. Here we go. Here's the ending. Here's the ending. Yep, right here. My fault. My fault. was that. Like the video for... Okay, here, we're gonna start a war, which I probably shouldn't. Comment Banban if you want Garten of Banban 2. Comment Knock Knock if you want Knocker Episode 2. Comment Vamp X Smokey if you want the collab video. Anyways, peace out.